Okay. Santa Claus gave it to me. It's from Santa Claus to me.
Yeah. Did that come over last night?
Yeah.
Ooh. What is saying here? What is saying here?
From Santa Claus to me.
To who? William.
Yeah, it is to me.
Okay, let's see. Open. What does it say? What in there? You know what in there?
Yes, I can think.
You can think. Do you know what in there?
Let me open this.
Oh. Oh wow. Oh wow. Uh-huh.
I would unwrap this gift.
You unwrap the gift. Is that the gift from Santa?
Oh my gosh.
Oh. Oh, what is
Oh
that?
my gosh, this is Lego City.
Lego City. Ooh.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
It's so cool. Yeah. What is that? Is that the tow truck or what? A boat? What is that?
It's a boat.
A boat with that? A tow truck?
Yeah.
Oh my God! A commercial truck?
Yeah.
Can you launch the boat?
Yes.
You can launch the boat, huh?
Yeah.
The boat can we ride the boat?
Yeah.
Mhm.
How about we do building in time lapse?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop recording.
All right. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Goodbye. Now we're all done with building. It looks nice now. Right here is a boat trailer, a truck, and this is a race boat transporter. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye. So, link in the comments. Well, this looks fancy. You think it's? Well, it looks so fancy, huh? So fancy. Yeah. We'll put a trailer right here. To link on the description below and like. So, I can put it on here. Well, I need my honors. These are my subscriber honors. Well, got to avenge the box. Get in the box quickly. So, subscribe to link in the comments. Vote them all. I'm begging you.